What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. If you are tired of endless bottle washing and late-night sink sessions, today's product could be a total game changer. We are talking about the best baby bottle washer that saves time and effort every single day. Let's get started. Today I am introducing the Moleway BS01 Baby Bottle Washer. This smart appliance is designed to make life easier for busy parents. Instead of washing bottles by hand again and again, the Moleway BS01 handles everything for you in one compact machine. What makes it special is its intelligent 4-in-1 design. It does washing, steam sterilization, drying, and storage all in one unit. That means once you place the bottles inside, you do not need to move them to another device. The machine cleans them, sterilizes them with high-temperature steam, dries them with hot air, and keeps them stored in a clean space. It saves time and removes a lot of daily stress. The Moleway BS01 Baby Bottle Washer is also compact but spacious at the same time. Even though it measures 15.5 by 14.8 by 10.24 inches, it offers a double-layer large capacity. You can clean up to 6 bottles at once. On top of that, it easily fits pacifiers, pump parts, straws, and small baby utensils. This helps prevent bottle pile-ups in the sink and keeps everything organized in one cycle. Now let's talk about cleaning power. The Moleway BS01 uses a 360-degree deep cleaning system. It comes with 34 powerful spray jets and 18 directional jets that target stubborn milk residue. There are also 16 swirling jets that clean every corner inside and outside the bottle. This combination ensures that no hidden spots are left dirty. It even includes 60 detergent tablets, so you can start using it right away and enjoy fresh, odor-free bottles every time. Another great feature is the 9 customizable cleaning modes. You can choose from options like standard wash, fast wash, sterilization, drying, and storage. You can mix and match these functions depending on your needs. If you are in a hurry, the fast mode completes a wash in just 20 minutes. That is perfect for those unexpected moments when you need a clean bottle quickly. Safety is also a big priority. The high-temperature steam sterilization helps create a hygienic environment, and the hot air drying supports up to 72 hours of aseptic storage. This means the bottles stay clean and ready to use for a longer time. The motor is designed for low-noise operation, so it runs quietly without disturbing your baby's sleep or the rest of the family. The Moleway BS01 Baby Bottle Washer combines smart design, strong cleaning power, and quiet performance in one sleek appliance. It truly simplifies daily routines and keeps feeding essentials safe and fresh. Here is something you should not miss. Check the price link in the description to see the latest offer. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more useful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.